How to allow USB debugging on Android devices. As you can see guys, I'm currently on my Android device's home screen. The first thing you need to do is open up the settings application. As you can see guys, the settings application is at the bottom right hand corner of my Android device's home screen. So all I'm going to do is tap on it. Once you've opened up the settings app, you'll be taken to your Android device's settings. Once here, scroll all the way down until you see where it says About Phone. Once you've found it, tap on About Phone. You'll now be in your Android device's About Phone settings. Once here, scroll all the way down until you see where it says Build Number. It should be right at the very bottom. Once you've found your Android device's build number, tap on Build Number 7 times. So I'm just going to do that now guys. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. Once you've done that guys, at the very bottom where it says build number, you should see a little prompt which says you are now a developer. Next, we need to go back. So navigate to the top left hand corner here and tap on the back arrow. Once you've done that, you'll be back in your Android device's settings. Once here, look for where it says system. Once you've located it guys, tap on System. You'll now be in your Android device's system settings. Once here, you'll now see a new system setting called Developer Options. Tap on Developer Options. Once you're in your Android device's Developer Options, scroll all the way down until you see where it says Debugging. Underneath Debugging, you can see USB Debugging, which is a debug mode when USB is connected. As you can see guys, the toggle is currently toggled off, meaning USB debugging is off. To enable and allow USB debugging on your Android device, you'll need to toggle on USB debugging. To the right hand side of the USB debugging developer option, simply tap on the toggle. Once done, you'll be greeted with a notification from your Android device which says, Allow USB debugging. USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps on your Android device without notification, and read log data. You have the option to cancel or OK. I'm going to tap on OK guys to allow USB debugging. And as you can see guys, USB debugging is now toggled on. You can now use the debug mode on your Android device when you connect it via USB cable to your computer. If you want to disable or turn off USB debugging, you can simply tap on the toggle once again to disable or turn off USB debugging. Alright guys, once USB debugging is on, you can close out of your settings app by swiping up from the very bottom to show all current apps open on your Android device, and swipe up again on the settings app to close it. You'll now be on your Android device's home screen. And that pretty much concludes the video on how to allow USB debugging on your Android devices. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?